Looking for ways to enhance your garden's ambiance with lighting? Lighting plays a pivotal role in setting the mood and bringing your garden to life. From solar glowstones to fairy lights, there's a world of options. Stay tuned as we dive into some creative and mesmerizing garden lighting ideas. First on our list are solar glowstones. These enchanting pebbles absorb sunlight all day, then illuminate your garden with a magical glow when the sun sets. Not only are they a charming spectacle, but they're also eco-friendly. Solar glowstones are a fantastic way to add a magical touch to your garden at night. Next up, we have lanterns and fairy lights. These charming illuminations weave an enchanting ambiance, their versatility shining through in varied designs and placement options. Perfect for evening garden parties or serene nights under the stars. Lanterns and fairy lights, an ideal choice for a whimsical garden setting. Moving on, consider pathway lights for a charmingly lit garden path. These functional beauties not only illuminate your way, but also amplify your garden's allure. From minimalist to ornate, there's a style to suit every garden theme. Pathway lights, guiding your way through a beautifully lit garden. And there you have it, some inspiring lighting ideas to enhance your garden's ambiance. From solar glowstones to pathway lights, these selections can truly uplift your garden's appeal. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration. Happy gardening!